Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're wrapping up our video from July of 2021 in Minnesota on I-94. We're heading west and we've just entered the city of Brooklyn Center, a first-ring suburb of Minneapolis-St. Paul. In just a few miles we'll be overlapping coverage from video number 450 from July of 2019, filmed exactly 2 years before this video. So if you're watching on the I-94 playlist, you'll see this overlap. We included this overlap because of some ongoing construction on I-94 that we wanted to document, specifically an express lane / bypass setup that may or may not be temporary. Here we begin an overlap with I-694, the northern part of the Minneapolis-St. Paul Beltway. This is an unusual situation where an auxiliary interstate runs concurrent with its parent interstate to the auxiliary interstate's end, nearly 8 miles to the west. I-694 ends at I-494, which is the western portion of the Beltway, and I assume that they continued the I-694 designation along I-94 for the sake of completeness of the Beltway. Additionally, I-94 takes on I-694's exit and mile numbers during this concurrency. Here, I-94 takes on a control city of St. Cloud. The I-694 concurrency comes to an end as we reach the I-494 exit on the left, and we'll see some construction ahead. A left-hand exit takes us onto a bypass that works like an express lane that is labeled St. Michael, although it'll put us back onto I-94 in Rogers. For the next 9 miles, we'll have one lane with no exits, and this bypass was flowing at over 70 miles per hour the whole way. This is the overlap and coverage from road trip number 450 mentioned earlier, but the scenery is quite different, so we included it. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video at mile marker 207. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.